Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost Engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the Sport Appearance package, and we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera with a drop-in bed liner. You got a tailgate step as well, mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side, window deflectors with keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, turn light spotlight indicated, and side view camera. Moving to the front, we got a black hood deflector as well with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back with cup holders and storage, rear vents with a 12-volt USB-C 120 volt, and a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space in the back, powered windows, mirrors, locks. You got an upgraded B&O sound system, spotlights, tailgate lights, park make pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 41,714 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume voice, cruise control, digital speedometer, RPMs, all the usual with my view, trip and fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select that is collapsible, storage cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, center console with tons of more storage underneath. We got your drive modes, four-wheel drive and rear locking diff, trailer brake, Pro trailer assist with dual climate up front, heated front seats, 12 volt and 120. Storage above, below, on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We do get our auto stop auto start and 360 view of the vehicle. You can go through all your camera angles, hazards, and traction with your audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. We got your phone controls, your navigation, little red dot showing your vehicle's been. You can search recent saved, have your audio open at the same time. Fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB10228A, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.